You should have set up a domain email with me, which then I can use to set you up on the website. But once you're in, you'll see something like this. And if you want to add something, you can go here or you can go down this side. A blog post. Click on post. And there you go. So you give it a title. I use Fusion Builder. And that gives you options. The first thing is click on container. Here we go. So I choose this one. So now you have a container, and now you can add elements or other containers or columns. So you click on element. You can search here or scroll through, and let's say you find a title. Okay, so your title, and save that. Underneath it, you can add text. And the next thing is kind of important. You want a photo to go with it. So you could add it in an element, but I suggest coming over here and clicking on Set Feature Image. Now you can go into the media library that already exists, and you should have access to this, or you can upload a file of your own. So the last thing you'll do before you go and maybe have a look is give it the right category tag in public interest projects. So say it's your project and say it's turtles. Okay? Anything else that's relevant, and that should be good. Okay, and then you can click on preview. Okay, so that's pretty basic. So now we're going to try adding a new event. Give it a title. Here you can put the date, start time, end time. It's all day. If you have a series of events, add it there. If it's a room in McMaster, you can add it if it doesn't already exist, if you don't find it. For organizer, you can create another one, or you can look at what's there. So if you find your group there, you could just create one by typing it in and then hitting enter. And you get down to the Fusion Builder part, and again you kind of do that. Add your elements. It's probably the first thing you'll want to do if you have a new group, if you don't already have one, is create a portfolio page. This will be your space on the OPIRG website. You're going to put your project name in here. You're going to go into Fusion Builder, click on container, and then start adding your elements. But I'm going to show you the blog. You want to pull any blog post into your portfolio page. Anytime you blog, refresh onto your portfolio. So here's the main page on the website for projects. Thread work. So what elements will we see here? They've got a feature image. They've used a countdown. They have a button to go to their Facebook. So down the side, they're pulling thread work stuff from the blog. So you see how that works. It's just their stuff. Okay, and then they've played around with some of the layout. That gives you an idea. So have a look around on the site and you can see what may be possible.